Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Caraway Cookware is probably one of the most aesthetically pleasing and functional additions you can make to your kitchen, offering a delightful blend of non-toxic materials and superior performance that will transform your cooking experience from mundane to magnificent. Number 5. NutriChef 3-Piece Nonstick Baking Pan Set. Introducing a versatile 3-piece baking set, perfect for all your culinary needs. It includes small, medium, and large pans for every recipe. Enjoy easy food release and quick cleanup with our advanced non-stick coating. It's designed for healthy cooking and effortless tossing of ingredients. Crafted from durable carbon steel with a warp-resistant non-stick coating, these pans are built for years of reliable baking, roasting, and toasting. These cookie sheets offer excellent food release and are dishwasher safe for ultimate convenience. Their stain-resistant surface makes cleanup a breeze. Featuring bold, silicone-wrapped handles, you can confidently grasp and remove these pans from the oven. They are oven-safe up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit. This set combines premium style with commercial-grade quality. The stackable design also ensures easy, space-saving storage in your kitchen. What we like? This set offers 3 essential sizes for all your baking needs. It features a durable, non-stick surface that ensures easy food release and cleanup. If you're looking for a reliable and stylish bakeware set for everyday baking and roasting, this is a great choice. What people say. The ceramic coating is fantastic and nothing sticks to it. The pots and pans are beautiful and look great on the stove. They heat up quickly and evenly, making cooking a breeze. Number 4. HexClad Hybrid Nonstick 10-inch Frying Pan. Meet the HexClad Hybrid Nonstick Frying Pan, your new go-to for everyday cooking. It's designed for both performance and convenience. Our unique hybrid technology features a laser-etched hexagonal surface. This combines stainless steel with a ceramic coating for perfect searing and effortless cleaning. This 10-inch pan is ideal for preparing meals for 1 or 2 people. It's also great for cooking vegetables or other side dishes. With its tri-ply construction and aluminum core, it heats quickly and evenly. It's safe for all cooktops, including induction, and is metal utensil friendly. Enjoy the ease of a dishwasher-friendly design and oven-safe capabilities up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. This pan is built to handle all your culinary adventures. We stand by our quality. Products purchased directly from HexClad are backed by a lifetime warranty against manufacturer's defects. What we like? This pan combines stainless steel and ceramic for an exceptional sear and easy cleaning. Its tri-ply construction ensures even heating, and it's compatible with all cooktops. If you desire a versatile pan that can handle high heat searing and is built to last with a lifetime warranty, this is the one for you. What people say. Great pan. Light. Cleans easy. Can even use metal utensils, but they don't advise to do so regularly. Non-stick. It heats up evenly and holds heat nicely, which makes cooking a lot more predictable. The cooking surface works well, but it's a little different from a typical non-stick pan. It's not completely slick, but with a small amount of oil, food cooks and releases without much trouble. Cleanup has been easy so far, and it hasn't shown any signs of wear. I've never had food slide out of a pan so quickly and cleanly. I love the fact that the pan's weight keeps it completely flat on my stove burner for even cooking. Cleanup is almost beyond believable, it's so easy. Number 3. Caraway 12-Piece Ceramic Cookware Set. This comprehensive 12-piece set has everything you need for your kitchen. It includes various pots, pans, lids, and smart storage solutions to keep things organized. Enjoy effortless cooking and easy cleanup with its naturally non-stick ceramic surface. Food releases smoothly, requiring minimal oil, so you can spend more time savoring your meals. Designed for ultimate versatility, it works on induction, gas, and electric stovetops. It's also oven-safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for transitioning from stovetop to oven. Cook with confidence knowing it's made without harmful chemicals like PTFE, PFOA, or PFAS. This promotes healthier meals and a safer cooking environment for your family. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the slick non-stick surface. Food residue wipes away easily, making kitchen chores quick and hassle-free. Elevate your kitchen with its sleek, modern design and smart storage features. It brings both beauty and organization to your culinary space. What we like. This comprehensive set provides all the essential pots, pans, and lids, plus convenient storage solutions. Its natural ceramic non-stick surface makes cooking and cleaning a breeze, and it's free from harmful toxins. If you're setting up a new kitchen or looking to upgrade to a complete, aesthetically pleasing, and healthy cookware collection, this set is ideal. What people say. The non-stick ceramic surface is simply unbelievable. Everything from eggs to sticky sauces slides right off, making cleanup a breeze. The heat distribution is incredibly even across the board. I really appreciate that they're ceramic and free of PTFE and PFOA. It gives me peace of mind knowing I'm cooking with safer materials. Number 2. Ninja NeverStick Professional 10-Piece Cookware Set. Experience the revolutionary NeverStick difference. Our pots and pans are designed to resist sticking, chipping, and flaking, ensuring a superior cooking surface. Built with superheated plasma ceramic particles fused to the surface, this cookware offers an incredibly hard and textured finish for a bond that lasts. Enjoy peace of mind with our 10-year guarantee. This exclusive non-stick coating is engineered to handle high-heat cooking and vigorous cleaning without sticking. The hard anodized exterior provides exceptional durability, resisting scratches just like stainless steel for a consistently beautiful finish. Effortlessly transition from stovetop to oven. This cookware is safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to finish cooking, brown toppings, or bake with ease. Ergonomically designed stainless steel handles offer comfort and strength, while the tempered glass lid with a reinforced rim ensures moisture is locked in. The heavy-gauge aluminum base prevents hot spots and distributes heat quickly and evenly, delivering perfect results every time you cook. What we like. This cookware boasts a unique non-stick technology that is incredibly durable and won't chip or flake. The hard anodized exterior provides scratch resistance, and it comes with a 10-year guarantee. If you need cookware that can withstand aggressive scrubbing and high-heat cooking while maintaining its non-stick properties, this is a robust option. What people say. This cookware does require preheating for the non-stickiness to work well, and because of the extra material, it does take a bit longer to heat up to temp, but it heats very evenly as a result, and makes cooking far more consistent. The non-stickiness of this cookware is better than I expected. When I tried again, and the pan was fully preheated, it worked flawlessly. They have a great thick base that can be used on every type of stove you might have. They are thick and weighty but not too heavy and go from stove top to oven even with the lids on. Number 1. Caraway Non-Stick Ceramic Frying Pan. Exciting news. Caraway's popular, consciously crafted cookware is now available on Amazon. It's the perfect time to upgrade your kitchen essentials and refresh your space. This 10.5-inch frying pan is ideal for everything from perfect eggs to sautéed vegetables. Its durable, non-stick surface makes cooking and cleaning a breeze, adding a touch of color to your kitchen. Experience healthier cooking with our naturally slick surface. It requires less oil and butter, and cleanup is a snap, making your home cooking more enjoyable. Our cookware is completely free from harmful toxins like PTFE, PFOA, and lead. You can cook with confidence, knowing it's safe for your family and the environment. Designed for all cooktops, this cookware works beautifully on low to medium heat with minimal oil. Plus, it's oven safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit for ultimate versatility. What we like. This individual frying pan is perfect for everyday tasks like cooking eggs or sautéing vegetables. Its naturally slick non-stick surface requires minimal oil and makes cleaning effortless. If you're looking for a single, high-quality, non-toxic frying pan that adds a touch of style to your kitchen and simplifies your cooking routine, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The ceramic coating is non-toxic and made without PFOA or PTFE. The cookware heats evenly and is easy to clean. The modular storage system is a great space saver. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.